All right. Baby G, tell me again what you're doing.
I'm playing Keepy Uppy, but not in the dark. It's not.
Well, it is in the dark, but you can see because you have the flashlight that Aunt Heidi gave you.
I know, but I can't look at it.
Are you having fun playing? Oh, are you letting the puppy in?
No, it's just I don't know.
Okay, hey, words, baby G, words.
They got a bug on me.
Oh, they're barking at you. Where's your balloon?
Right there.
Okay, you keep you uppy a little more.
Yeah. Whoa, I very now will. Whee! Bounce. Pinch. And a bounce.
And a bounce, and a bounce.
And fundy noodle.
Okay, I'm turning the light on. Are you ready?
Okay.
Ecto-Dean, let there be light.
Okay.
All right, go put the balloon away.
I want to step away.
Okay. Well, give me a count and a wave.